Welcome back, guys. In today's video I want to start off with the FOMC meeting because that's what will take place in 24 hours. 99% are expecting that the interest rate will not be hiked by the Federal Reserve, and only 1%, guys, thinks that the interest rate could or will be hiked by 25 basis points. If so, maybe we could see the price facing more bearish scenarios. But from my point of view, if we see a pause, this could be a blessing for the Bitcoin price, and we could see more boost getting in and the Bitcoin price facing more and more bullish, or getting more and more bullish vibes. And the Bitcoin monthly return of September was in the past more likely a curse than a blessing. We faced 3% in loss, 7% in loss, 7.5% in loss, and up to 20%, approximately 20% in loss. But the upcoming 3 months, quarter 4, where we have October, November, and December, these 3 months elevated the price of Bitcoin massively. We had around 40% in profit, 43% in profit, and up to 47% in profit December. And this could be a very, very positive end of the year 2023 if these 3 months are getting positive results for Bitcoin. And I want to talk about these 3 on-chain data that make sure, or that prove, that we are right now in the transition between bear market to the next bull market. And also, guys, don't forget about the next Bitcoin halving, because if we have a look at the Bitcoin price action, it was always a very, very bullish event. And this event will take place in 2024. Correct me if I'm wrong, it will take place in April. And we will see the halving from 6.25 Bitcoin per block reward down, or it will be halved to 3.1 Bitcoin per block. And also, guys, last but not least, we will talk about the price action of Bitcoin, what we expect in the short term, in the mid-term, and also in the long term. Make sure that you watch this video from the beginning till the end. Do not skip any scenario, guys. This is very, very important, what I want to share with you with this video. So let's start off with this one on-chain data. In this on-chain data, guys, what I want to make sure is in the green area. In the green area, we always had our Bitcoin bear market bottom. 2022, 2023, it took us 76 days to get the bear market bottom formed, or the bear market bottom in. And in the past bear market, 2018, 2019, it took us 78 days, 2 days longer to get the bear market bottom in, and then price getting elevated. And also here right now, the price is getting elevated. We are twice the price of the bear market bottom approximately. And when we go 10 years, around 10 years back in the past, 2014, 2015, it took us only 8 days. It's around 1 week to form the bear market bottom, and then price from here on getting boosted. This has to do, or from my point of view, the reason for it is that more and more people are aware that Bitcoin right now is existing. Me personally, 2014, 2015, I didn't even knew that Bitcoin existed. Right now, the adoption and the hype of Bitcoin is getting real. Everybody wants to own Bitcoin. Not everybody can own Bitcoin because they think it's too expensive. From my point of view, it's not too expensive. It's just, or the point of view doesn't matter. The price is not expensive. We had expensive prices at the all-time high of 69,000. We were down around 80%. We faced 80% in loss from the bull run high, or the bull run top, down to the bear market bottom. Why didn't you get in? Right now is still cheap with 27,000, guys. Imagine the price is above 100k. Then if you bought in at 25 or 27,000, you have a 4x, guys. And this is, from my point of view, very, very bullish if you think long term. do not think short term. On the short term, you will always lose or make losses. Therefore, guys, this is very, very important. We got the bear market bottom in, and the bear market this time was not very, very different from the one in 2018, 2019. So if we have a look at the accumulation trend score, this is a very, very interesting chart because it has to do with the psychology of the people. People are taking action when we see extreme conditions. We have the trend score that reaches from 0 to 1, from yellow to purple. And you can see in the red circle we have FOMO, and the green circle we have capitulation. People are taking action when the Bitcoin price is seeing a drawdown, or the Bitcoin price is getting an elevation that take place very fast. And when the hype is getting real, people start to buy. And then, guys, it's always when you buy on the expensive. But nobody cares about Bitcoin when Bitcoin makes a sidewards move and sidewards move here, sidewards move here. No, they need FOMO, they need capitulation to take action. And that's what I want to say to you guys with this chart is, buy dollar cost averaging. Then you will never get in FOMO, or you will get influenced by your emotions. Being influenced by your emotions when it comes to buy Bitcoin is very, very bad. You always have to think rational when you buy or invest in Bitcoin. That's what I wanted to bring closer to you with this on-chain data, guys. And let's switch to the last on-chain data before we talk about the Bitcoin price action. This on-chain data, guys, we have the wealth distribution cycles, the so-called Rodel ratio. The Rodel ratio means the realized hodl ratio. It's in orange, guys. Then we have the price of Bitcoin in black, and we have the 2-year median in blue. And right now, what very, very important is the 2-year median. We have the 2-year median. When we face the red circle, guys, new investors are getting declined, and the 2-year median is seeing a drawdown. And then when the tables turn, the 2-year median is seeing the next sideways move before it's getting upwards. New investors are decreasing and also increasing, and also the price of Bitcoin and the Rodel ratio are increasing. That means the price of Bitcoin started the next bull market from here on. And also at this point, and right now, after the new investors are getting declined from the bull run tops, guys, you can see that we see the change of the trend, and the new investors right now are increasing because we are getting sidewards move in, and we face the sidewards move here and here also. And after the sidewards move, you can see the 2-year median is getting increased, and also the price of Bitcoin and the Rodel ratio. And this is also in very, very interesting on-chain data that has to do with the transition of the bear to the bull market. And let's go straight into the bull market. Let's go straight into the charts, guys. So first of all, I want to talk about the pre-war range indicator. It's an indicator that gives us information beforehand. We can see that the price of Bitcoin started in September without even getting in touch with the horizontal line, the pre-war range, which is around $26,900. Right now we are above it, and this is very, very bullish for September, because you know September was more like a curse. If we see Bitcoin price getting a downwards move, we need to hold the line with $26,900. So then that means we are up the pre-war range, and this could more likely lift us up to the October months, where we expect prices to get more bullish. If not so, guys, the support has to hold the line. If we see more upwards move, we want Bitcoin to go up to 29,000 price area. This is where we have our monthly R1 line. But if prices are facing more losses, guys, and we get declined and rejected, if the price is going down, the monthly S1 line sits around $23,600. That means that the price of Bitcoin must go down by $4,000, guys. That's not what I expect in the short term. And also, I don't think that this is very probably to play out. It's more likely that Bitcoin will stay above the pre-war range indicator, which sits around 26,900, as I said earlier. And also, let's add some more bullish charts to it. We have this parabolic curve line, which elevated the price of Bitcoin and gave us massive support, as you can see. And inside, we have the accumulation areas. That's what I wanted to bring closer to you guys, where I said, don't forget to accumulate when the Bitcoin price is facing sidewards move, because this is the area where the whales are getting in, or the whales are buying Bitcoin, because they always want to buy Bitcoin on the cheap. You can see they bought here Bitcoin. We can see the small volatility, and this is because of the Bitcoin whales. They started to sell off from here, they distributed, and then guys, we have the Bitcoin whales buying, sell, and then price drawdown, and also then we see the massive pump. Retail investors are getting in the next accumulation area. Bitcoin whales are getting in. They also started to buy and also sell, taking small profits. And then guys, retail investors are getting in again. And right now we are also in the accumulation area where we faced our spring point, guys. The spring point is when we see the price is getting out of the support zone, and we tested this parabolic curve line. From my point of view, Bitcoin could face right now more bullish scenarios to get elevated up to the October and November months, and also December months, and then prices could be at this area. It's just to show you how the price could go on from here on. It doesn't need to be like this, but this is what I personally expect for Bitcoin. And then we will have our next accumulation area. As you can see, the accumulation area on the downwards move of Bitcoin was also at this area. Maybe this time we could see the accumulation between 36,000 up to 40,000, up to 40,000 US dollars. And then this will maybe be the last accumulation area before the prices get up to the all-time high area from the last bull market. This is what I wanted to share with you in today's video, guys. If you liked the content, make sure that you don't forget to leave the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. This would really help me to grow, guys, and I would truly appreciate it. And see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.